Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this coming weekend of Friday through Monday, June 10 to 13, 2022, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Friday until tomorrow, Saturday. We still have the frontal system up here, the major front affecting the eastern sections of China, the southern islands of Japan, including the northern portions of Taiwan. And we have the southerly surface wind flow or southerlies affecting the eastern coastal areas of eastern Cagayan. And over the northern portion of the South China Sea and West Philippine Sea, we have the southwesterly surface wind flow. This is the weak habagat affecting Hong Kong and portions of Guangdong province in southern China. Across the Philippine Islands, good weather will be expected, except for some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over Ilocos Norte, and also here, across the areas of Palawan, the Zamboanga Peninsula area, including the offshore areas of Bangsamoro. So some thunderstorms will be expected here with some threat of localized flooding. And here across the eastern coastal areas of eastern Samar and eastern Bicol region, we have an approaching surface trough that will bring some showers over the coastal waters of these areas. The rest will have good weather, and we still don't have any potential LPAs or tropical cyclone that is expected to form until June 18. So it's all clear across the computer models. Observing the western Pacific Ocean. We have here intertropical convergence zone across eastern Micronesia to the Marshall Islands, and another surface trough approaching Palau and Yap area. Here's the fast animation from University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. As you can see, developing thunderstorms can be observed in isolated areas of the country, particularly over Ilocos region, Visayas, and portions of Mindanao. And as we look at the zoom-in satellite animation, you can clearly see here the thunderstorms affecting Ilocos region, portions of Cordillera region, and also in some portions of the Visayas and parts of Palawan, including Mindanao. So that's the usual afternoon thunderstorms. Now let's take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days until Monday. This is through the weekend, courtesy of ECMWF from the windy.com app. So tomorrow, Saturday afternoon, we expect thunderstorms, isolated thunderstorms to occur in the central and northern zone, including Metro Manila and southern Tagalog provinces, Mindoro, and also across Panay and Negros, but lower chances of rains will be expected over the Bicol region, various sections of Visayas, Palawan, and Mindanao. And on Sunday afternoon, we expect that thunderstorm activity will continue to prevail in the afternoon or early evening across Luzon, including Central Luzon, Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Mindoro, some portions of the Bicol region, small areas of Visayas, Palawan, and Mindanao. And on Monday afternoon, we expect the thunderstorm activity will again pick up, becoming more severe over northern and central Luzon, and also affecting portions of Metro Manila and northern and western Mindanao, as well as some portions of Visayas, including the Bicol region and Masbate area. And if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast until Monday through the weekend, we expect the bulk of the rainfall activity to be present across the Cordillera and Ilocos regions, some portions of the Bicol region, and also over the Zamboanga Peninsula and isolated areas of Visayas. And if we take a look at the wind and pressure forecast from the European model until Monday to the weekend, we expect calm to variable winds across inland areas of the Philippine Islands and inland seas of the Philippines, while light southwesterly to southerly winds will be expected across extreme northern Luzon, and that will be tomorrow, Saturday. On Sunday, the southwesterly and southerly winds will be moving into the southernmost point of Taiwan, So variable winds in various sections of the country will prevail, with mostly calm conditions and some easterly to southeasterly winds along the coastal areas of Mindanao, eastern Visayas, and the Bicol region. And on Monday afternoon, southerly to southeasterly winds will be expected across the eastern sections of the country, while southwesterly winds and southwesterly winds will be expected across the western sections of Luzon, and it will be more breezy southwesterly across Batanes and Babuyan Cubao Islands, while the rest of the country will remain calm to variable winds. Nothing significant so far when it comes to wind and pressure forecast. So there you go. That's the latest for this coming weekend. And we'll return on Monday to give you more updates on the weather from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.